So guys, let's talk about revamping. Revamping is majorly when you turn people's old wigs into new. Yes, when you turn people's old wigs into new, that's what it means. That means when you bring life into something and people were like, ah, wow, is this actually the wig that you gave me, that I gave you? Is this actually the wig that you wore yesterday? Like, you know, that kind of feel. That's how it should be. Like in one of my videos, like I said, this wig is actually a straight wig. I've been wearing it for 4-5 years now, and I decided to revamp it myself. I just decided to, coil it, and it still brought out the curls, and I love the curls, and this is actually what I wanted. So that's the revamping, and people are like, my start saw me this morning. I'm like, when did you buy this wig again? I said, it's my old wig. I just changed the style, and that's how it should be. So for your revamping class, this is what you need. You still need all this, right? And guys, let me tell you, there's money in revamping. I make revamping as 5,000 naira for curly hair and 6,000 naira for straight hair. That's what I do. And I know some people that charge as high as 10,000 naira. So imagine I make, because I do a 9 to 5 job, so I'm not really somebody that have that time. But people, I make it when I'm so lazy. In fact, I find time to make it. But what I'm saying is that imagine people give you 5 weeks in a week. Let's say 5 weeks. That's 25k for somebody that's just starting. In a month, that's how much? That's 100k. 100k, guys. So 100k, and you can do much more than that. In fact, myself, I want to really be 100% much more serious than. I want to have more time in this 2025. That's the truth. So guys, let's quickly talk about, okay, that's major. So let's continue with our revamping class. Like I was saying, excuse me, in your revamping class, I will show you the things you need. Now we have different types of trism shampoo, trism conditioner, trism this. In fact, a lot. I'm sure there will be about 20 types or more. Same trism. Now this one is flawless curls. Can you see? I use it for coily wigs. You can use any of this one for straight, the conditioner. But you can buy. I usually buy one type of shampoo. But for a start, just buy one that goes for the two. I can't remember the name now. If I see, I will let you know. Then you will need your Lotta body mousse. You will need your I1 silk. Where's my I1 silk? My I1 silk is not here. Maybe I'll show you later. Then you need your coil lala. You will need, you will need this, your keratin and your silicone mix. Can you see? You need that. So I want you to get this before we start the class, right? Then you will need, okay, you don't need this netting spray. Then you need your, okay, for now you don't need this. So those are the major things you need for the revamping class. Then you need your rollers. You need your rollers, your bending rollers. Some of you know bending rollers already. You need your bending rollers, or you need your clips. You need any roller that you have is fine. You still need your straightener. You need your hand dryer. Those are the things you need for a revamping class. Okay, a client gave me 4 weeks to revamp. They're all coily wigs, and I started by using my trism shampoo. I mixed it with some little water, and I started washing them one by one. I made sure that I didn't wash all the 4 wigs inside the same water. It was separate water, right? So I washed it, and that was the first death. So I had to wash again with the trism shampoo. You can use any type of trism shampoo, actually the ones for coily hair. You can use any type. Actually, it's the conditioner that determines. That's the second washing, and the water is clear, right? So it's time for me to condition it. I use silicone, my trism conditioner. It's good if you can buy a coily trism conditioner, and my hair treatment, keratin hair treatment. Some people mix it together, right? before they put it, but I put it separately myself. And some people, it depends on how you want to do it, but the best way is to put it directly. I added them directly. You can mix all the three treatments or conditioner into a bowl and add it to your hair. After then, I put them in a polythene bag, and I wrapped it with my towel, the towel I use for coloring of hair. Actually, I can't find the what's it called, the it bag I use, so you can do that and put it outside for like 1 hour. Then after that, I rinsed off all the things I use, the conditioner, the treatment, everything, because it has worked, it has done its work. It has conditioned the hair for like 1 hour when I put inside the polythene. So I allow the heat to simmer into the hair. Yes, then you rinse off afterwards. Right? You rinse gently. Make sure that before you start conditioning your wig, see the outcome. Make sure that you brush it thoroughly because of tangling. Brush it thoroughly before you start washing your hair. So I added my Lota body mousse, right? I added my Koi Lala, anti-Jackie Koi Lala, and I added my spray, my water serum spray, just to bring out the curls back. And guys, it's not easy to start. One of the things I don't like about revamping is the styling. The styling, this one is even easier because they are short curls, right? But when it comes to long curls, straight hair or more, the styling is not easy. See my coil liner, I added it. I just added because it was easier. I added it all straight like that because it's a short coily hair, right? So guys, you see the final outcome. It's a lovely wig. This my client bought it about 4 years ago, and she's still using it. It's woman hair, and it's very, very, I think she bought it for I think 8.5 then, and now the hair is about 15,000 now. So guys, you can still see short wigs for low woman hair for very affordable. So guys, see the outcome. I'm sure you are loving the outcome, guys. So the next one, let's go into the next one. How I styled the next one. I did same process for all the wigs, but I did them separately. I didn't wash them inside the same water, right? So the next one, I partitioned bit by bit, and I started adding the same mousse and everything, and coil lala. I did it bit by bit, and I brushed with that coily brush, so that all the this thing, you see, I brushed it from the tip. I didn't start from the upper part. I started with the tip. That's how it should be. And guys, you see the outcome of this week. It came out nice. This week is a woman hair blend actually. Yeah, see the outcome is hair blend. It's so fine. I love the outcome. A Trism does a fantastic job. Coil Lala does a fantastic job. So if you need, this is the third week. I'm not sure I was able to capture the fourth week. It was a bit stressful that day because I had a lot of work to do. See, so I came with the styling. That's my water leave-in conditioner mixed with water serum. See the outcome, guys. This is one of the best